Hi, I'm Mackenzie Sorich, founder of View Ridge Family Law and Estate Planning. And today I'm going to be talking about collaborative law. We get lots of questions about what collaborative law is and whether it's the right process for you if you're going through a divorce. So today I'm going to explain some of the details and give you some comparisons between the formal collaborative law and the informal collaborative law and help you come to some conclusion about whether this might be right for you. So what is collaborative divorce law? Well, the official formal process is one in which both partners agree to participate in the collaborative law divorce process, and they each hire attorneys who also agree to participate in this process. Everyone signs an agreement in which they commit to sharing all the information that's relevant to the matter, and they hire joint experts to guide them on the financial and the parenting decisions that are involved in going through a divorce. There are pros and cons to the formal collaborative law process. Well, one of the pros is that it is a great way to try to maintain your relationship with your soon-to-be ex-spouse. You may have children, and you may really want this relationship to be smooth and harmonious for your children into the future. There are some cons, though. Number one, if later on in the process, one party decides they no longer want to use collaborative law, then all the attorneys have to withdraw and the parties have to start all over. The other con is that it can be more expensive than other forms of divorce process because there's so much communication involved and experts who need to weigh in. It can often add up to be quite expensive, but may be worth it for your family in the long run. One of the alternatives to using the formal collaborative law process is to take the principles from that process and apply them to the traditional divorce process. And this carries with it a number of advantages and efficiencies. Number one, you get to maintain your own attorney throughout the whole process, and neither side has to start over if there's a disagreement. Number two, it can be very cost effective. Agreeing to exchange information in discovery and negotiating outside of court can save both sides a lot of money and time and aggravation. And number three, using these principles in order to try and maintain a civil relationship just for your own sanity or for your children is a great tool in order to get through a divorce. If you're going through a divorce, know that you have options to use collaborative law to make your life better. It can be used formally or informally. You don't need an attorney with any sort of special certification or license to use collaborative law. You just need someone who knows divorce law and is experienced in this area. So if you need help, we are here to help. Just give us a call.